First grade's last TDU is all about different systems and how a system is essentially just different parts that have all come together. Each part on its own is different and holds a special purpose, but when they come together, they can create something new. And then we look at this from different areas.
When working with a transdisciplinary unit, teachers are always looking for authentic opportunities to make sure the students can transfer their learning.
Our launch happened and it was just a lot of different examples of systems and looking at them in different ways. So one system was looking at a bike and how all of those different parts, they all serve very different purposes, but they come together to create one thing. And then we explored, what happens if you take this part of the system out, can it still function? And if not, why? And then they looked at a broken computer and saw the different parts of that system. They looked at their body systems. We looked at puzzles as a system. We looked at the system of plants and how each part of the plant helps it to grow. And then we ended by talking about our class system and how a system that has people in it becomes a community, and how within the classroom we're all very different, but we come together for one common purpose.
This year, Caesar's Kitchen proposed working together with students to grow a garden where the plants grown would be used in the kitchen. And grade 1 took that opportunity.
All right, so I'm gonna go over the steps and then all of the teachers are going to help you make sure that we follow them. We're gonna use some soil. Then we have, they are seeds, and they are super small. I know, because they're tiny. But you will all have a chance to hold some seeds in your hand.
You put oil in there, put soil, and then make little holes. Put one dot in the middle and put 6 dots around. You need to put the hole in and then put some seeds in there. Put it right like this. And then you're going you're gonna go put your seeds in, and then put your name tag, and then put it. Yeah, you have to get some water. Water. And then it'll grow. Like a tree.
Once the students, they grow the basil, we're going to be planning on using that for an option to have it in their food. So basically they will grow the basil and then we will take it and then we'll try chop it up into nice little pieces. And then depending on which menu is out, most ideally we'll have some kind of pasta or some kind of a dish that involves a basil, and then we'll have it out as an option where they can sprinkle on top.
A community is a system where the parts are living things.
As part of our TDU and social studies component, we're talking a lot about communities in first grade. So thinking about what communities are we a part of and what roles and responsibilities we have in that community. So we also made a connection with our technology class where the students were actually able to make their own community using an application called CoSpaces, and then comparing that with the real communities they're a part of and thinking about what would the different roles be that are needed to make each community successful. And later that will contribute to them thinking about how they can be a leader and make change in their real communities.
We were able to connect not only with Caesar's Kitchen, but also with the school gardener who helped the students and the adults learn how to plant basil from a seedling. And so we'll get to see the process of starting with the seed, growing the plants, and then seeing how they are used within a community system.